guys, so I got the new Too Faced Appley in Love palette and I want to share my initial thoughts with you guys and try to do a look. So yeah, let's dive right in. So yeah, I caved in, I got this palette. It wasn't totally necessary, I suppose, but I am just a sucker for Too Faced eyeshadow palettes, and I was able to get a discount. I think at QVC it was like $25 off, so I was like, why not? It's kind of like almost half off. So just looking at the packaging, it kind of gives me like fairy tale Snow White kind of vibes. I don't know if you guys got that same feeling. Also, I think I saw a lot of other creators saying this, but I do like how they decided to do apples and not like pumpkins, which is what I think usually everyone gravitates towards for like something fall themed. So yeah, I think it's kind of different and unique. So looking inside, this is what it looks like. So there are all these like really beautiful colors. To be honest, I kind of felt a bit overwhelmed. I kind of am somebody who loves buying eyeshadow palettes, but I always seem to concentrate on like just like the browns and the neutrals for day to day. Like I like having those other options there, but I tend to not really experiment that much. So it seems like there's quite a few like different extreme like shades, I guess they have in here, and I don't know if I'll use it, if I'll look wearable doing it, but I think I'm going to try some of the red looks today because why not? So yeah, let's dive right in and start creating a red eye makeup look. Okay, I've already prepped and primed my face, so I usually use the Lancome Teint Idole foundation, and then I use the concealer, Clinique concealer. The cap came off, ignore that. And I got a new beauty blender, which is nice. The other one was like looking really gross. Okay, so I'm going to first start off by priming my eyes. Going to use the About Face brand from Halsey. Prime my eyes. So I'm going to first use this foundational base shade right here. This one is called Sweet on You, and they have the cutest names ever. And it smells like Michael's, which I like, but may not be everyone's cup of tea. And I'm going to go in with, I guess I'm going to just go for it. Go in with like Baskets Full, because I want to, oh wait, this Baskets Full, that doesn't look very red. Okay, I'm going to do Baskets Full, and I'm going to go in with Appley in Love too. Pretty pigmented, but okay, now I'm going to go in with maybe one of these shimmery shades. I think this one's called Apple of My Eye. I'm going to apply it with my finger. Okay, now I'm going to bring some of it to the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with Smitten and use that to highlight my inner corners. As well as my brow bone. Let me see if there's anything else. Maybe I should try some of the Crunch Time. Just make it like a warm fall toasty kind of look. Then I'm going to kind of sketch out the wing, so I can do an easy wing. And back from lining my eyes, now I'm going to take a colored eye pencil. It is Urban Decay 24/7 in Stash. I just like to trace over the line because I do draw a thicker line having monolids. And it kind of adds like a nice like green shimmer sparkle to the look, which I like. Okay, and then I'm going to skip around and first apply my blush. I'm taking the Too Faced, I think, Cloud Crush. Just applying it to the apples of my cheek, no pun intended. And I'm using the Rem Beauty highlighter in lavender. It's really pretty. It's just like, it's very subtle. You can barely tell it's lavender unless it's like a certain lighting. And then I'm going to work on curling my lashes and applying mascara, and I'm pretty much done with the look. So I'm taking my Shiseido eyelash curler, giving my eyelashes a nice few pumps. Okay, and then I'm also going to apply the Lancome Hypnose Drama. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my mascara done, my eyeliner done. I put on my blush, my highlighter. So now all that's left is I'm going to apply some lipstick. I'm going to go for a total fall look. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay, I think this one's in Horchata. It's like this dark chocolate shade. And apply that. And then I'm going to take my Lancome Lip Gloss and coat it. Okay, so this is a finished look, changed into a more appropriate outfit, accessorized. Anyways, okay, back with my final thoughts. So I agree with what everyone said. I love how they went back to this tin packaging. I really love this theme. And from everything that I've tried, I feel like all the shades are pretty rich and buttery and pigmented. So in terms of quality, I think it's really good. But I will say, I'm not sure like how I feel about the red shades. I think that's kind of like the core, the crux of this makeup palette look that they centered everything around. I mean, the red shade is called Appley in Love, and that's the name of this palette. So just like personally, I always still gravitate towards safe, conservative shades for day-to-day wear. But I think it came out looking pretty nice. And I don't think it's like too much for an everyday look. I didn't go that heavy on the red, but I think I could do heavier on the red next time. But actually I think it came together pretty nice. It's nice like day-to-day wear. You can wear to work. It even looks nice if you like go out. But I don't know. I guess I like this palette. I'm glad I bought it, but I don't know about all the shades, like the minty greens and stuff. I don't know if it's like too adventurous for me. But anyways, this is my initial thought. I'll probably do some more looks. Let me know if you guys bought the palette and what your thoughts were. Thanks for watching.